Welcome back to my Purple Kitchen. Today, let's talk about a frugal meal that will fill you up, that's kind of healthy, but will get you through tough times if you're struggling with food costs. It's a very inexpensive meal, something that I had as a child. I had 11 people in my family, 9 kids. My mom made this often, and this got us through a lot of hard times. I'm going to share it with you next. The ingredients are very, very simple. I literally have a pot pie. I got it at a box store. They were on sale this week, 85 cents a piece. I got a box of instant rice. I like the instant rice. It's good in a, I don't eat it all the time, but in a pinch, I'll take it. This has almost 20 servings in it, and it was $2.39 or 29 cents for this entire box. Okay. This is in the oven now, cooking, 400 degrees. And all you're doing is taking 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of boiling water. You dump it in here. I'll show you that in a moment. And then you let that cook for a few minutes. Just let it set. It'll absorb the water. And then we're going to put some salt, pepper, and butter in the mix. And then we'll throw the chicken pot pie on top, and we will have a delicious, nutritious meal. So let's get going on this. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. And so there we have it, everybody. The rice has now been cooked. All I do is I'll throw in about a tablespoon of butter. Very easy. Rice is nice and hot, so it mixes in fairly easy. Salt and pepper. Don't use a lot of salt because there is quite a bit of sodium in the chicken pot pie. So definitely the worst part about a chicken pot pie or a turkey pot pie or whatever is the sodium content. I have my chicken pot pie fresh out of the air fryer. I love them being done in the air fryer. It's delicious. Crisps them up. Pop that down. Scoop out the remainder. And yeah, there you have it. Okay, welcome back, everybody. So while this is cooling, anybody that's ever had a chicken pot pie, turkey pot pie, whatever, knows it takes a little bit for them to cool down. I don't know if you can see that, but the steam is rolling off. So, used to have this as a kid, like I said earlier. This is also great over mashed potatoes. About once or twice a month, this is what we have for dinner. Or I'll bake 2 baked potatoes, and then we'll put our salt, pepper, and butter on the baked potatoes, and then I'll break one of these over each one. And that's a solid dinner. Especially, I grow my potatoes in the summer, so most of the year my potatoes are free. So if I just take an 85-cent pot pie, I'm eating for 85 cents. It can be done, especially nowadays, prices being so high. We need to find meals that are nutritious, that are high in calories to carry us to the next day. So give this a try. If you've never had the pot pies, you can get them very inexpensively. Like I said, instant rice. I don't eat instant. I usually cook the rice, but when I'm in a hurry or I'm outside working, I just don't feel like cooking rice or putting it in a rice cooker. I can boil the water, put it in there, cover it for 5 minutes, come back, throw the pot pie on top, and I'm done. So I hope you enjoy this. Cheers. See you in the next one.